We shorted the dark cloud cover, we shorted the sweet spot, and right to the target here this morning. It was a bit scary on Friday because obviously we saw the long lower shadows and showing that there's support coming in, but then last night it just dropped down, hitting our target. Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. It's Monday 16 September 2024. Today I'll be trading long the euro, the Swiss and the yen, and short on the CAD, the Aussie and the New Zealand. Let's kick off with the dollar index, dropping like a rock here and showing us continuation. I've mentioned last week quite a few times the triangle busy forming, and I said that if it breaks up that should push us up there, and if it breaks down that should be a continuation of the triangle pattern. And yeah, we are right at support. It could bounce a little bit back, retesting the triangle, but ultimately we should test the next level of support, which if I zoom back in would be these lows. So definitely bearish on the dollar. Obviously they want to keep the dollar bearish because they want interest rates to drop. So they have to devaluate the dollar for that to happen. So definitely bearish, and I'll stay bearish. My short term, medium and long term is all bearish. Intraday a bit disappointing, but I will get there and it will change most likely this afternoon. Then we move to gold. On the dollar weakness, we do see gold flying up the page here, but you can see a dollar wants to be weak but quite neutral, so very difficult reading it at this stage. I'll stay obviously long. We've hit the target on our trade on one of our positions. Remember now I set out two targets for us at 26.30, just below that, and 25.75. So we hit the 25.75 level. So I've closed half the position, and now I will definitely get my targets and my sight set to 26.30. Hopefully I can get a final target there. In any language, I'll pull whatever is left stop loss to entry. I won't lose money on this trade. I banked half the position, had a very nice profit there of about $80, and I'm still going for that $130 up there for a small risk. The risk on this trade was about $30, so really good risk reward. We had a lot of patience for about 2 weeks sitting with these trades. We had two entry opportunities on the bullish engulfing and on the hammer candle, and now definitely paying off very nicely. But nothing new that I will do. I will watch, however, if I look at this level here. If I draw in the Fibonacci, it's definitely not the best of levels, but between here, I can extend it there and then make it the base level. So that's still fine, but that's still the area I'm going to watch. Between 50 and 60, the retest of this sideways range. Remember now, we had the break on the dailies, so it would be the retest of that daily range there. So that's something I would watch for 4-hour trades. As long as I can have a weak dollar, definitely be then bullish on gold. Bitcoin under pressure again after quite a nice performance on Friday and Saturday. Sunday started to roll over and yet again giving up. So definitely not much we can do here. The trend is changing, and this is the good thing. The short-term trend is changing, so this gives me a feeling that we might see a bull run starting soon after the summer holidays in the Northern Hemisphere. And remember last week I showed you on Dogecoin this pattern here. We got the break and now the retest. Now, this is where I get interested now in this. So nice falling wedge, very bullish pattern. I pointed this out last week, so I need the retest and a nice reversal. Then I will definitely consider something on Dogecoin and also Polkadot. You see here we've got the break, now on the way with a retest, so I would like to see the retest, a nice strong counter reversal, and then we can go with it. Even Ethereum gave us the breakout there. Ethereum gave the break, not as good the lines, busy retesting, so I'm not that keen after this, but I like the Polkadot. The trend has changed on a pattern, and also Dogecoin trend has changed on a pattern breakout. So let's see if we can get within the next few days some nice short-term trades coming in here. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. And the euro yen, I gave you this trade last week. We shorted the dark cloud cover, we shorted the sweet spot, and right to the target here this morning was a bit scary on Friday because obviously we saw the long lower shadows and showing that there's support coming in. But then last night it just dropped down, hitting our target. Absolutely beautiful trade. Well done, guys. The risk on this trade was roughly 60 or so, and we've got about 150. You got a 1 to 2 risk reward out of this, right to target. So a great trade for us there. Then on the pound yen, we shorted also the dark cloud cover. Scary times, coming back down, not at the target yet, but very, very close. At least trail the stop loss yet, well, either to entry or then use these little highs here and say, you know what, when it gets back down there, I will cut the trade. But beautiful trade, beautiful short. Don't lose money. That is the big news here. But I need the target. Let's hope for the best there later today. And also on the New Zealand yen, we got the short and a dark cloud cover. We had multiple opportunities getting into the trade. I've set a target for us here at 1.27. Nothing wrong lightening up here at the lows. Nothing wrong with that. But with the New Zealand absolutely almost at the bottom, the New Zealand and CAD is fighting the whole morning here. You see on the previous bar, New Zealand was the bottom of the pile and CAD is now bottom of the pile. But they keep fighting for the weakest spot. So I still want to stay short on the New Zealand. And I definitely want to be long on the yen at this stage. So we're looking good in both of those trades. Then the US CAD. US CAD showed you the breakout trade. If you took a little bit there, nothing wrong there. But the retest and a nice counter reversal here, that could be very nice. We see dollar, not after that, but the CAD is very weak. So going long here will get me into the short CAD. And that's why I'm so interested in this. And a nice pattern forming, definitely. But we got the wedge pattern, the break, a little bit in there, the retest, a nice counter reversal, then that'll be an additional long for this, hoping to catch the weakness on the CAD. I'm not after the dollar yet, but I'm after the weakness on the CAD. And these strategies give me all shorts on the New Zealand and on the CAD. In the New Zealand, US, New Zealand still on the absolute, almost bottom of the pile, but absolutely weak. Dollar, not after that much. If the dollar keeps weakening, I will step away from this trade. I mean weakening on the intraday. And it doesn't look that good. But for now, I have to keep this on my watch list. We've got structure there, 61% FIP retracement. So once I get a reversal there, maybe this afternoon, evening, or tomorrow morning, then I will reconsider looking at my RS. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks, so don't forget to trade responsibly. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.